It is a great pleasure to see that the conference has come to a very successful end. We see everybody participating in the floor, and also the deliberations are absolutely up to mark and also titillating to any one of us, those who are interested in the tricky subject and tricky activity, but interventional cardiology, particularly peripheral, non-coronary. Now, I always say that Dr. Khanna certainly bring a great sense to us in many ways. I remember 3 years before when we had this gave affiliation to APVIC, then we thought that that's something that we have started a new thing. Today I have realized I have done I think put a great step towards this. And today when I find the international faculty of great eminence are here to spend their time 2.5 days to be with us, to educate us, also share with us all the scientific data and also appreciate whatever we have been doing and to contribute. And I'm really very, very grateful to all of you here. I'm grateful to all the, the course chairman, Dr. N.N. Khanna and Michelle Henry has been really very, very educative to us. We are very grateful to both of them, and particularly Michelle Henry, the way he has been toiling from the first day and till last and being present with us. Just tell the number. The number you have not given. You don't know, she knows it, yeah. TJ Colin. About it. You should have told me earlier, no? Yeah. And we have been seeing them here and outwards, and also we have heard most of them. And few of the names I will try to mention greatly because Dr. Buckley has been a great, his presence has been very beneficial to any one of us. So also Busquets, also himself being present and also participating. We have seen how impactful has been the talk. We are very grateful to him. And also T.J. Collins, USA, we have had number of lectures of ordinarily aortic valve particularly, and we are very grateful to him being present and spending time with us. And this is a great contribution to the society as well as people of India and interventionists. And all of them, those who are on the dais, have to take their name. It will be a big list. It is there. I can say all of you being here, being present with us, sharing the knowledge and experience, and also encouraging us, we are extremely grateful to you on behalf of Indian Society of Cardiological Society of India and Indian College of Cardiology, and the joint effort. You could see that that APVIC intervention course that is there, and I only say thank you very much. And to the audience and also the participants who have been there for the last moment, I'm certainly grateful to all of you.